I'm here on a home tour at 4704 Marvelwood Loop. I'm in the Village of Dabney, and take a look around. They have a peekaboo water view, and it's right around the corner, but not within earshot of the rec center, pool, pickleball courts. Everything is right nearby. You are close to Publix. It's actually the Leesburg Publix, and you can quick and easily get on the turnpike here from Dabney. So let's go on in and take a look around. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in Florida. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video because I have a lot of great content coming out. I just put out it's going to be a 6-part series called The Money Map on the bond, the CDD, the amenity fee, taxes, expenses, one video dedicated to each item that you need to know about before you purchase here. So be sure to sign up so you get notified when the next video comes out. All right, we're going to go take a look on inside, and you can call me, make an offer. And look, these are all of the updates. We have, they have a screen garage door, attic ladder installed. They have a timer for the fan in the bathrooms, roll down shades in the on the lanai. I'll show you those. This is gas, but they have a 220 outlet for an electric dryer if you chose to do so. Whole home surge protector. There's epoxy in the garage, painted driveway, Nova water filter and softener, which I'm going to show you. Updated flooring in the bedrooms, whole home gutters, and some sweet looking landscaping. So let's go on. This all can be yours for $375,000. All right, now we're really going to go inside. All right, we are inside. So there is an entranceway, people. You have your space for guests to arrive. And this is a whispering pine. You have this could be a formal dining room, but you can see they have it set up as a sitting room, which is nice. It could be a game room. You can get really creative with this space. It doesn't have to be just another place to eat. Crown molding throughout the home, LVP flooring. So we're gonna go over, and I'm gonna drop all the information of the home here. That's the lock. That lock automatically locks after like 2 or 3 minutes. Front bedroom, again, this is a 3-2. There's Todd. Closet. I love these doors. And pocket door to keep this space private, a linen closet, full bath. God, you know, I know people talk about I need storage. These homes do have a lot of storage. You just sometimes have to get creative with the way you arrange it. All right, and this is I call it the 3rd bedroom. This does have a closet. That's a queen bed. So you have plenty of space, queen bed, 2 end tables, lamps. There's a dresser here. You have even room for TV and a little bit more decor. And it's the same flooring throughout, no popcorn ceiling. This is a newer home. Full closet. And they're actually a little deep. They go extended there on the side. And when they purchased the home, it did have carpet in the bedroom, so they replaced that. But it still does have the same flooring throughout. Big tall, high ceilings, nice, bright, big open space. And it has an indoor laundry. We're going to go out there in a moment, but I want to take you for a little ride around the kitchen. Again, I tell you there's crown molding. The cabinets are soft closure, and they do have pullouts. That big pantry. I'm going to show you that in a moment. They've got a lot of stuff in there. And this is natural gas because we are south of 44. You have a combination of cabinet doors with a pullout. You see that? And drawers. Sometimes I like the drawers because you don't have to go digging deep for anything. And the pantry, you can see a lot of food, a lot of storage. Take a quick pan around. Island, that is Formica. It's this neutral gray, very pretty color. Stainless steel appliances. This is for garbage, which I wish my home had. My rental has that. The Opal floor plan has it, but not the Ruby. All right, I'm gonna have to get out of here because I am in Todd's way. So you do have two big sliders here. It is super bright and cheery. It is a bright day out, but now I'm in the corner. See the crown molding there. All right, let's take a peek in the primary. Oh, here, let me just show you this. That wall is huge. The TV on that stand is big. You could fit any size television you want up on that wall. I got a guy for everything. I have a guy who will put that on the wall with the mount and everything. He'll come right to your house, no problem. And you get a contractor list whenever I have a new buyer. I send you out a contractor list, I send out my next steps checklist, and I also send out a map so you kind of know where you are. Now this is the primary bedroom. Got a lot of space in here. That's a king size bed. Ensuite bathroom, has separate water closet, and a walk-in closet. Now they changed that door out. They made it more of like a slider barn door, which I think is pretty cool. So you have space in there. And you even have it back into there. Again, you get a guy or a girl, whomever, person, put some closet organizers in here, and then you're not gonna have to worry about asking, do I have enough space? So you're gonna say, I need to go shopping. So remember, if you want to purchase a pre-owned home, you do need MLS and VLS representation, or else you will not see everything. And please understand, people, while we're going through this is the master, I just had another person in my car today that told me their friends purchased a home and didn't know that there was a bond. Now, I can tell you they didn't buy it from me because I tell everybody there's a bond. There is a bond, and if there's not, you have to ask. And ask to see the addendum. We at MLS make you sign the CDD addendum, knowing the bond, the CDD, and all of that information. So just make sure you get that when you go to close, because if you don't, it's your own fault. And I love how people tell me, I watch all your videos. I didn't know that. It's like, well, I talk about it all the time. Obviously, you're not paying attention. Okay, room and shower. And this does have a bench. This is a must when you have these showers, because that second nozzle is how you clean it. And it's all tiled. And you still have another closet in here. Look at all the things they have in here. You can't tell me that these homes are not big enough. And if you're coming down for a visit and you need a place to stay, take a look over here. This is my rental. Oh, that's me. It's cold out. Clara's Cottage is in the village of McClure. It is booked up till the end of May, but if you're looking to come over the summer or next year, I do have availability. It's on my website. And I'll put the link below. All right, let's go take a look at the garage. Stock in the laundry, stackable washer dryer, extra storage shelving, nice to put your sofa up there. Excuse me. So anybody watching, I'd be interested to know, have you been to the Villages before? Are you planning a lifestyle visit or a visit soon? And if you are going to purchase here, if you've already been here, curious to know, make some comments in the section below. We can start up a conversation of things you like, dislike. All right, people, let me show you this. All right, so this is the garage. I'm going to drop the dimensions here because I'm not really sure how big it is, but that is a 4-seater golf cart. So that's a big golf cart. And they still have room for storage here. And then there's a bump. So you could fit a big golf cart. You probably could almost get two, if you had 2 smaller ones, 2 golf carts. And I know all you men have the big truck. Well, a big truck is gonna fit in this garage. It's like I'm standing here up against the door. And this does have a Nova water filter and softener system. Epoxy garage floor, and it has painted driveway. Oh, this isn't gonna. Well, you do have some storage. Oh, sorry. So you got a lot of room in there. All right, let's go take a look outside. All right, you can see the painted driveway. That's the peekaboo view. There's water there. And you can see they've painted the driveway, like I mentioned, and we have some updated landscaping here. And I actually have been dreading this because it's cold out. Two-car garage. You do have a lot of room on the side yard. I think if you were so inclined to do, you probably could put a small pool on here, because you need 3 feet from the property, 7 feet from the property line. I'm sure there's an easement going through here, but I think you might be able to if you wanted. Obviously, it's not ideal to put a pool on the side of the home, but if you want to, you can. Because like I mentioned, they have gutters. This is a vinyl sided home, fully landscaped. It has outdoor lighting. Sorry, I couldn't talk back there. They had the music going. I have to drown it out so I don't get a copyright violation from YouTube. All right. There you have it. There it is. 7404 Marvelwood Loop down here in Dabney. Make an offer they can't refuse. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. Thank you for joining me on this episode. And if you are thinking about purchasing an investment property and want to get into the rental business, you're going to want to check out this video. I talk all about my online course that takes you start to finish, from forming your LLC, getting it registered in the state of Florida, to decorating, how to market it, where to market it, how to get everything inside of it, and how to write a description that's going to get you guests. All right. Thanks for watching. Check that one out. I'll see you next time.